Troubleshoot your HP Chromebook with the Chrome OS Diagnostics Tool after booting up. The Chrome Diagnostics Tool can be used to diagnose Chromebook hardware issues that might prevent the system from operating properly. A few common issues that the Chrome Diagnostics Tool can be used for include the battery is draining faster than usual, the device is operating slower than usual, the device is having issues with memory or RAM. Attention! The Chromebook Diagnostics Tool only works with Chrome OS 90 and later. To access Chrome OS Diagnostics, turn on your Chromebook and log in with your credentials. Then, at the bottom left of the screen, select the launcher. Locate the Omnibox. Type Diagnostics in the search bar to locate the tool and select it. Or, to access the tool using Settings, at the bottom right of the screen, select the status tray. Next, select the Settings icon. On the bottom left of the window, select About Chrome OS, and then select Diagnostics. When the app opens, you can choose the diagnostic test you would like to run. Note, you can only run one test at a time. The battery test takes up to 15 minutes. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit test, takes up to 15 minutes. The memory test takes up to 40 minutes. To check the battery discharge rate, run the battery test. First, unplug the Chromebook from the power source. Then, select Run Discharge Test. You can also check the battery charge rate. To do so, reconnect the Chromebook to a power source, then select Run Charge Test. Note, this test is not available when the battery is fully charged. To find out about the CPU consumption, temperature, current usage, and speed, select Run CPU Test. Warning: running a CPU test requires more processing power, which may affect normal use of the device and cause it to run slower than usual. Select Run Memory Test to obtain measurements of the Chromebook memory. If any of these tests fail, click Help Center or contact a support agent to investigate further. For more information about failed test results, select Why is this test failed? To download and save the test results, at the bottom of the screen, click Save Session Log. You can use the download.txt file to share via chat support or email, or use it to help describe the issue to a support agent on the phone. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.